Is it official? The cat has begun to freak the fuck out. He's like attacking the air, like for no reason. Oh, there it is. Now he's attacking the rug. Hey, stop it! He's like, come here, FIFO. And you got FIFO here. Come on. Come to the light. Come to the light. Come to the light. There he is. You guys can see him now. He's acting like a total little puppy again, even though he's not. So, what? Someone's happy. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, here we go. Here he comes. Hey, 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 hey. Pupils are dilated. It has begun. The battle. Hey, who you biting? Who you biting? Huh? Who you biting, punk? You don't defend me, asshole. Put that leg down. Put that leg down. Put that leg down. Put that leg down. No? Put this leg down. Put this leg down. Put this leg down. I don't know what's up with him. Cat's crazy. He's back there doing God knows what. Anyway, guys, today's Saturday. I'm putting up this little vlog. So the fuck? The cat is freaking the fuck out. He's like meowing and running around in a circle. I'm putting this little mini vlog up because I'm gonna get my flip cam and my laptop today. So I should be giving you guys quite a few videos on here. That Gears of War weekend thing, I canceled it just because several comments that I already began to receive, and people tend to follow those people. So the Gears of War weekend has been canceled. I'm just not gonna bother posting it because you know they don't really deserve to know that it's been canceled. So you guys deserve to know because this is a whole completely different channel and stuff like that. So if you guys have a PS3 and you want to play MAG, my PSN is SlySi666, and I'll be on MAG all day today. Even while I'm uploading my vlogs. What is wrong with this cat? You can see him. He's like right between that. He's acting super crazy. He does it. Fucking crazy. Can you see him? Look at him. Hey, pretty kitty. Hey, pretty kitty. I think this is the most attractive cat I've ever owned. Seeing that he's only the third cat I've ever owned, but he's the most attractive cat I've ever seen. Because he looks just like a Sir Puss in Boots. Right? He's Puss in Boots. Anyway, guys, I'm going to put this video up. Danny's vlogs are really short. I hope you guys enjoyed the Google Pac-Man thing. It's going to be up for another 24 hours. So if you guys haven't checked that out yet, go check it out. Because it's amazing. And I think Pac-Man deserves it. Because 30 years of, you know, like, revolutionizing gaming is a big deal. So, happy birthday, Pac-Man. And I'll see you guys a little bit later today. So I'm not gonna say goodbye for you tomorrow. I'm gonna see you guys later. So see you later. Say bye, FIFO. Say bye, FIFO. Say bye. Say bye, bye. Fucking loser. Oh, you did it. Oh, there you go. You did it. Do it again. Do it again. Do it. Look at him. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Goodbye. Like this. Do it. Oh my god, that's crazy. Do it again. Do it again. There you go. Do it again. Do it again. Alright, he said bye. Alright, guys, so what is that cat up to? He's like attacking the wall. Oh my god. The animals I own. Alright, guys, I'll see you later. Let me go fight with this cat to see what he's doing over there. Hey! The fuck you doing? Huh? I see you. Right there. Center of the screen.